Okay, so first turn your camera again.
Okay, now?
No.
No. Now?
Yes, now you are visible. Am I visible?
No, you are not visible. That you can also turn off or turn on your camera.
Now?
Yes, now. Yes. Okay, so let me start the session. Okay, so first of all, good evening.
Good evening, sir. How are you?
How are you? I am fit and fine. What about you?
I am pretty good. Thanks for asking.
Okay, so how was your day?
Was super.
Hey, so could you please introduce yourself?
Yes, sure. So, first of all, good evening and thank you for giving me this pretty opportunity to take this call with you. So, this is Tuina. I am 12 years old. I study in DAV Public School in 7th standard, that is situated in Sahibabad, UP. I am the single child of my parents. My mother is a homemaker and my father works in a private company, real estate. I belong to West Bengal, but I am growing up here in UP. Apart from my studies, my hobby is dancing and painting. I have been learning Kathak, which is a classical form of this dance, for last 5 years. Thank you.
Okay, it's really good. So now I will introduce myself. My name is Prashant Yadav, and I'm from Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. And right now I am doing BCom second year. And behalf of that, I have my YouTube channel. On this channel, I had upload these types of conversation to improving my English communication skill. And I also like to listen music. And behalf of that, right now I am working as a freelancer in a company. That name of a company is Sociodesk. And this is all about me. Thank you.
Yeah, it was pretty good. I want to say something.
Yes.
Um, as I know that many people don't want to do a session with kids or they do not have any questions for kids, but you have given me this opportunity. Thanks a lot for this again.
Okay. No problem. That it's my pleasure. That I also heard that I also watch your videos, number of videos in YouTube. So that there was one because with the because you have completed you had that session. So they suggest your Gmail ID so you can also do conversation with them. So I told him yes, definitely, why not? I can connect. Okay. So so do you have any questions so you can ask?
I want you to ask me questions.
Okay, definitely. So so the first thing is that you also have a YouTube channel or not?
No, I don't have an YouTube channel because my mother does not allow me to make any YouTube channel as I am minor of 18 age, and second purpose is that I would not be able to spend more time on studies. And if I record any video, I have to look after that video, I have to edit that, I have to mention a suitable title for that, an attractive caption. I have to give it description so that my viewers can be more attractive towards my video and I could get more views. So I have to give my I think so 2 to 3 hours on this YouTube platform. But yes, I would make a YouTube channel when I will be in college.
Okay, it's yes, your all points are very truly right that when we are making YouTube channels, so we have to handle it very carefully, and we have to spend more time to create a YouTube channel and to manage all these things. So it's good. Okay, so what's your future plans? What's your future plan? What do you think about your future?
As I have many dreams and plans that are always changing. But yes, I have four main plans and dreams that is close to my mind. First is that I want to be a teacher in government school and private school, that God will decide. But yes, I want to be a teacher in higher classes. Secondly, I want to be a lecturer in college. Third one, I want to be an IAS officer. And fourth one, that I am following in my dreams, that I want to be a Kathak artist to perform on a stage.
Okay, so it means you like dance.
Yes, I like very much.
Okay, it's really good. So that as you shared, your two plans are related to the teaching field. So it means you are also like teaching. So
Yes.
which subject you like to teach?
I like two main subjects, that is Hindi and SST. But apart from that, I like English little bit, not very much.
Okay. So why are you don't like English that much? Because you are connecting with others in with English conversation. So I thought you like English too much, so that's why you are connecting with others to improving it. But you told us that you don't like it.
Yeah, if I answer this question, I don't like English too much because I am good at speaking now because of my mother. My mother had encouraged me. She is an inspiration for me. So she has made me perfect in this language English, and written English is, as I know that written English is also very tough and also very easy for everyone, but I like English only for spoken. I don't like written English. That's why it is my 50% to English. But if I say that English is not my favorite subject, as it whenever I do any exam or whenever I solve any problem in English, so I create my silly mistakes, and when I learn, so I create a mess that why have I done this type of mistake? I should have done it properly. I knew it, so why I'm making this type of mistakes? That's why is the problem that English is not my favorite subject.
Yes, yes, I am strongly agree with your point that you share that written English is more difficult than spoken English. As I also realize it every day, because when I was preparing for my government exam, so that time I also prepare for some. I also took some English classes. So in that class, they are teach me some basic rules, some more than 120 plus rules I written at that time, but I am not able to remember it, so it's too difficult. But I also like spoken English because it's not that much difficult. In spoken English, you should only know some basic grammars, and you can also, but only some basic grammar, and that only all depend on your practice. How much practice, how much time you give in a day to your spoken English.
Yes, I totally agree.
Yes, yes, yes. So my next question is that so uh, okay. So you can share that about your city. That where are you live?
I am living in mean city.
Yes. What's the name of your city?
In Uttar Pradesh, their city naming Ghaziabad.
Okay. So you can share about your city. Something special thing is your city.
My city is very good, very clean. There is flora and fauna. Everything is very good. And my city, in our city, there is nothing very special. But yes, there are so many dance like dances, so many types of foods, and so many types of dresses. So there is lot of thing. But if I tell you about all cities, so in Lucknow, where I'm not living, but yes, in Lucknow, it is the capital of Uttar Pradesh, and I like that city because there. If you have heard that there is Lucknow is famous for chicken curry kurtis. It is very famous
Yes.
there. It is made up of hand also in machines also. So I like that. As my mother also watches those type of kurtis, I have also bought from there. So I like those type of kurtis, and it is famous for non-vegetarian food. So I like the non-vegetarian food. As I am Bengali, so I like non-vegetarian and vegetarian. So Lucknow is very famous and it is popular also, and many more things. Except that there is only and only greenery. Nothing you can't see there. Nothing is like trees are not being cut. Nothing is there like this deforestation. There is only and only afforestation you can see. So it is a wonderful city. It is a very good. There are so many wildlife sanctuaries, biosphere reserves. and so many rivers, lakes. You can see all where around Uttar Pradesh city. You can see. So there are very good subways, roads also, clean parks. There are many things. So you can visit Uttar Pradesh also. Every facility is available.
Okay, it's really good that never visit Lucknow, but but you have very good knowledge about that. And yes, so share one thing that how have you learning this language, English language?
Okay, so I have been, as I told that I am not interested in this language, but my mother is motivating me in this language. It is because of her. So if I tell you that how did I start my English journey, it is all the same that my mother started her English journey when I was in class third. So she had started her English journey. After that, she made herself very clear with this language English, but unable to speak English orally. She's able to write everything, but when the point comes that why doesn't she face any camera, she hesitates every time. Instead of her, I do sessions, but she writes invitation letter on Gmail on Skype, so she handles everything. I just do my studies, my dance works. So I do just that. But apart from that, my mother taught me a lot in English grammar. When I was in class 4, I was nothing knowing about this language English because I was in English medium school. My mother was very happy to admit me in English medium school. But the point comes here that why didn't I spoke English that time? My father said that she will speak English when she will be in class 5th, and she waited till only class 3rd. But my mother was so much disappointed to see me not speaking in English in the school. So while I was growing, my mother decided to teach me English, not only on grammar but also spoken skills. So my mother taught me every chapter, that is tenses, modals, conditional, phrases and clause, agreement, subject agreement, everything, passive voice, everything she taught me one by one. So she also used to make pages on every topic. Like one day she used to make tenses, then another day she used to make modals in written copy, and I have completed 5 copies on English grammar. So she made me perfect in this language. After that, when I was growing up, she used to tell me that you have to start your daily routine with your English speaking skills. You have to speak everything in English, whether you are forgetting that what do you have to say. So everything she used to tell me. And as I am a Bengali, so my father is not in the habit of speaking Hindi as well as English. He only speaks English with his clients, and if anyone calls from Airtel and Wi-Fi connection app, so then only he speaks in English. Otherwise, no English word at home. So I speak in Bengali with him, but my mother has told him that you should not speak with my child in Bengali language. Then she will not be fluent in this English. So as my mother wanted me to be a fluent English speaker in one day, so my father is now also speaking in English with me at home, and my mother is totally with me. So this rule I am following every day, and currently I am speaking to you. And I had started my English spoken session, I think so, seventh class, July 2023. So from that time, I started my English conversation session as I was so much bored in writing purpose, and I was not doing anything. So I said, so my mother suggested me an idea that there are so many YouTubers, they are learners also, they are learning new concepts, they are teaching also. So you should try once. At once, I just tried with Jyoti madam. So I thought that I should continue it. So I do many sessions at 1 month, then another 1 month I do, and recently I am talking to you and I have done over 32 sessions.
Oh, it's really good that you are completing 32 sessions. Yes, yes, yes. So it's definitely improve your English language that you are completing that much session. So you can also see the improvements in yourself.
Yes.
Yes. So what's happened that while we are connecting with others, so it's also improve our English language. It's more than improving our English language. It's improve our confidence. So that's a very important point that I noticed. Hello.